Srivastava, teaching you maths of class 10th NCERT book. Chapter 6 Triangles. Today I will continue the exercise 6.3 question number 1. No, question number 11. Till the question number 10 I have finished. Question number 11 is given. Here a triangle, this figure is given. Figure 6.40. ABC is an isosceles triangle, AB equal to AC. AD is perpendicular and EF is perpendicular on AC, meets produced CB at E. You want to prove triangle ABD similar to triangle ECF. So here we will see. First of all, given you write down, then you write down two proofs, and then draw the figures already what is given in the book. Always in the figure, without figure you can't prove anything. So here ABC, to prove these two triangles are similar, which these two triangles separately I have drawn ABD and EFC, this triangle and this triangle. Because in triangle ABD, which you want to prove same, you take angle EFC is equal to ADB. Why? It is 90 degree. It is 90 degree given. Perpendicular given. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2y. Because AB is equal to AC, isosceles triangle, base angles are equal. Opposite angle of equal sides. So you will get angle 1 is also equal to 2, and separate figure I have drawn 1 and equal to 2. It means by double asimilarity, triangle ABD similar to ECF. Hence proved. What is here? Hence proved. Question number 12 is given. In the question number 12, figure is not given. 12 and 14, two questions are similar. AB, BC, AD, one triangle. AD is median. PQ, QR and PM. PM is the median of triangle QPR are proportional. Proportional means these ratios are equal. AB by PQ, BC by QR, AD by PM. You want to prove triangle is similar. First of all, you draw the figure here given there. One triangle ABC and PQR, AD and PM are median such that, what is given? AB by PQ, BC by QR, this side by this side, AD upon PM, it is given. And you want to prove big triangle is similar. For the big triangle you want SSS or SAS or AAA. So first of all, you will see this triangle. What is this? It is a triangle ABD and it is a triangle PQM. It is 90 degree given. So first of all, you see these two triangles. You want to prove what is the ratio given, that you write down again. AB upon PQ, BC upon QR, AD upon PM. AB by BC, if the BD upon QM you get, then it means you are getting it is a median, not a 90 degree. Median. Median means line joining the vertex to the midpoint of opposite side. Line joining the vertex to the midpoint of opposite side. So AB by PQ is equal to BC can be written as 2BD. Why? Because D is the midpoint, AD is median. QR is written as 2QM because QM is equal to MR, M is the midpoint, PM is median. Then 2 and 2 will be cancelled. You will get AB by BC, PQ equal to BD by QM is equal to AD by PM. Now you see it is the sides of one side, two sides, three sides. These are the sides. Sides are proportional, means by triple S similarity your triangle ABD similar to triangle PQM. Similarity only proves, then you can get angle B is equal to angle Q by CPST. Equation number 1. Now you take the triangle ABC and PQR. We will take triangle ABC and PQR. AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR given. AB upon BC is equal to this upon this is equal to this upon this, it is given. Angle B is equal to angle QY because of already proved in by first. So by SAS similarity, as side angle side SAS similarity triangle ABC similar to PQR, hence proved. So very easily you can prove this. One side and one on the other side there is a median given. AD is the median on BC. BC upon QR is also given. That's why it is very simple. Question number 13 is given. In the question number 13, D is a point on a side BC of a triangle such that at ADC is equal to angle BAC, and then prove CA square is equal to CB into CD. You want to prove this. First of all, you draw the figure ABC, take a point D on BC, join it. This angle is equal to this, it is given. You want to prove CA square. So CA is a side of triangle ABC and also ADC. CA is a side of two triangle. So I am taking ABC and ADC, DAC, two triangle ABC and DAC. Triangle ABC and DAC. ABC is this big triangle and DAC is this triangle. Angle A is equal to angle D, it is given. In the question it is given. Angle ADC equal to BAC, it is given. These two angles are equal. One angle is common in both. See, for double A is over. By double A similarity, triangle ABC similar to triangle DAC, because angle A is equal to D, so naming start from A. ABC I have written, then here start from D. D is equal to A, C equal to C. So DAC. Now write the ratio of these two by corresponding part of similar triangle. Corresponding part of similar triangle, how will you take? First 2 upon first 2. Corresponding part you have written also. AB by DA. Last 2 upon last 2. BC by AC. First last and upon first last, that is AC by DC. Now two places you are getting AC and AC. So if you write this separately and cross multiply. So AC into AC, AC square, BC into DC, BC into DC. And in the question it is started from C, so all I have written CA square is equal to CB into CD. Hence proved. Now question number 14, which is exactly a question number 12. Change, what is the change in this? Here AB, BC, AD is given. What is given? AB, BC, AD. But here what is given? AB, AC, AD, all from A. AB, AC and AD. And here also PQ, PR and PM, where AD and PM are the median, means line D and M are the midpoints. Then you want to prove the similar. Question 12 and 14 same, but the proof is different. Here BC upon QR are given, that's why 2 have written 2BD, 2QM. But here it is not given, all from A. Now question number 14, you will draw the figure. First of all you will draw. What is given? First of all you will take what is given. I have written. What I have written? What is given? In triangle ABC and PQR, AD and PM are median such that AB by PQ, AC by PR, AD by PM. And question number 12, AC was given BC and PR was given QR. This was given. For the proof of this, when all are given from same point, you want to prove both the triangles here, there will be a construction. What is the construction? You see, what is the construction? Produce AD and PM to E and 1. How you will produce? AD you produce to E and PM produce to N. How? This equal to this and this is equal to this. Written such that AD equal to D and PM is equal to MN. Equal medians produce. Join EC and NR. Join EC and. Now you take these two triangles, this and this. In triangle ABD and ECD. In triangle ABD, ECD, AD is equal to DY. Why AD is equal to D? Because of construction just now. BD is equal to CD because AD is the median. So D is midpoint. It is a vertically opposite angle. So triangle ABD congruent to ECD by SAS congruency. What will you get? by SAS congruency you will get it is a congruent. By SAS congruency I am getting it is congruent. If it is a congruent, then what are you getting? This side is equal to this side. AB is equal to C. I have drawn here AB is equal to C. Now, same process you can prove this is congruent. No need to prove. You write similarly. What is the similarly? I have written similarly PQ is equal to RN. Because PQM is also congruent to an RM. But don't write this. Direct you write. Similarly means what you have done here, same thing. PQ is equal to RN, second equation. Now you will see in triangle this big one, ACE and PRN. In triangle ACE and PRN. This ACE and what you are taking, PRN. This what is given, that you write. What is the given? All the three have the same ratio. You write same thing. AB by PQ, BC upon QR, AC upon PR and AD upon PM it is given. This here is the D and here is the M. It is given AD, but AD is equal to D. So twice if you write AC and PR you have written as it is a side of this triangle. But what is AB and PQ? By first and second, AB equal to C and PQ equal to RN. We replace this. AB will be replaced by C, AB will be replaced by C and PQ is replaced by RN, because here you have proved. Here you have proved. So C upon RN, CE upon RN equal to AC upon PR is equal to 2AD upon 2PM. 2 you can multiply, rule of fraction. Twice of AD will be AE, construction. Just you have produced, both are equal, so double of this will be AE, double of this will be PN. You are getting PN. So by triple S congruency, triangle ACE congruent to triangle, similar to triangle PRN. ACE similar to PRN, then CPST will give you angle 1 is equal to angle 2. CPST. Same process what you have done for the proof of 1 and 2. When you join this, what is done? Same thing. You do again, then you can prove 3 equal to 4. So here nothing you prove. What is the last line? Similarly, angle 3 also equal to angle 4 by CPST. Adding for third and fourth. When you add the third and fourth, what are you getting? 3 plus 4 equal to 1 plus 2. Adding third and fourth, what are you getting? Angle 1 plus angle 3 is equal to angle 2 plus angle 4, which is BAC. It is your angle this BAC and it is your angle this QPR. So angle BAC is equal to angle QPR. Now you are getting these two triangles. This angle is equal to this. You have proved by fifth. AB upon PQ is equal to AC upon PR, it is given. So by SAS similarity, you can take both the triangles are similar. Very simple. AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR given. Angle 1 equal to angle A is equal to angle Q, you have proved. So by SAS similarity, both the triangles are similar to each other. Similar to each other. Both are similar to each other by SAS similarity. Now you will see question number 15. What is the question number 15? It is given a vertical pole of 6 meter cos 4 meter shadow, and what is the height of the pole whose cos 28 meter long? Find the height of the tower. This is the figure, 6 meter high, then the angle shadow 4 meter and h meter high 28 meter. So you will get, first of all, triangle ABC and PQR. You can prove angle B equal to angle Q by 90 degree, because anything stands on the ground at 90 degree. I also, you also, anyone. So angle ACB equal to PRY, because sun's altitude, sun rays falls at the same time 90 degree, same angle with the ground. So this side of building, eye, tree, everything. So that's why it is sun's altitude. So double A, two angles you are getting. Triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. So AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR by CPST. So 6 upon H is equal to 4 upon 28. So you are getting H is equal to 42 meter. Your height of the pole is equal to 42 meter. Now last question of this exercise. AD and PM are the median of triangle ABC and PQR respectively, where triangle ABC is similar to PQR given. You want to prove AB by PQ is equal to AD by P. So in triangle ABC and PQR, triangle ABC is similar to PQR and AD is and PM are median. AD and PM are median. Now in triangle ABD and PQM, you given and to prove. In triangle ABM and PQM, what will you write? Both these two triangles I am taking. In triangle ABD and triangle PQM, what is given? This angle is equal to this. Angle B equal to angle Q. Why? Because it is similar triangle given. AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. Why? Because of CPST, both the big triangles are similar, it is given. It means their sides will be proportional. I have written. BC will be written as 2BD and 2QM, because D and M are the midpoint by median. 2 and 2 cancel. So AB by PQ is equal to BD by QM. AB by PQ is equal to BD by QM, and angle B is equal to angle Q. So these two when you take, then you get the SAS similarity. By SAS similarity, triangle ABD similar to triangle PQM. So AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM. Hence proved. Means the sides ratio is also equal to the ratio of their medians. It is as a theorem also you can use. Any two triangles are similar, their medians are given. It means ratio of their side is also equal to ratio of their median. And altitude also you can prove. Ratio of the mid sides is also equal to their altitudes as well as their angle bisectors. Hence proves that solve. For today, your this exercise is over. Next lecture we explain the others. Thanks.